Hey guys, about a year ago we made a video over at Suki Market. It's a wet market, dry market over here in Alaminos City. The reason why we did that is because they suffered a pretty tragic fire early morning hours of, I'm going to say, October 5th. We did a video that day actually, just mere hours after the fire occurred. So we're going to go out there and we're going to go ahead, make another video, and we're going to see what kind of progress has been made and what people are doing out there right now. So I hope you come along with us, because this is a pretty cool one, I think, or I think it's going to be a pretty cool one, I should say. So please come along, and we'll see you when we get out to Suki Market. All right. Okay, today we're doing some video footage of Suki Market, Suki Wet Market, Dry Market here in Alaminos City. The reason why I'm here is because we're doing a one-year follow-up from the events that took place here October 5th, early morning hours, October 5th of 2021. There was a major fire at this location, and I did a video that very same day. I'll leave the link down in the description for that video. But for this one, we're going to go ahead and walk around like we did a year ago, and just kind of show what kind of progress has been made here over the past year. Yeah, there's been a lot of rumor, a lot of different rumor, I should say, of what's going to happen here, what's going to end up in this building. I am not going to say one way or another, because I don't have any idea what's going to happen here. I've heard different things, but I guess we'll find out when it happens.
These are all the part of the dry goods here before, and the vegetables.
Yep, this was all, I mean, as you can see, if you look at the other video, these were all like slide down metal doors through this area here, and various vendors were located in along this little strip, along this facade here. And then obviously inside the building was just tons and tons of vendors, both dry goods and wet. Oh, let me walk around over here. So I think I actually walked in last year. I haven't watched the video in a long time, but I think last year I actually walked in here and we could see, yeah, like right down through here. We'll go and peek at that area here in a second. Hey, how you doing? Okay. Things have kind of returned to semi-normal. Hey guys. I'm trying to do a video of the building and you guys are grabbing my attention. No, I'm their brother. Hey sister.
Let's go.
So one thing we can definitely establish is that the mood is a lot more upbeat and positive, more so than what it was. These guys are all talking. So yeah, the atmosphere is a lot more positive. That's a good thing. I tell you, when we came back through here a year ago, there was a lot of sad faces and frowns. Not so much anymore. that's always good to see. Like I said in that last video, let's walk up through here. Like I said in the first video, Filipino people are resilient. And they're survivors. You put hardship in their way and they'll just plow right through it. Hardship and adversity is nothing new around here. Yeah, thanks. This is, I never knew this was even here. Was it here before?
Yeah.
Was it? Oh, okay.
It was here.
Guess I never really paid much attention. I'm trying to make this video here the same as the original. To kind of do a A/B, be able to do an A/B comparison. Now we just wrapped around the back way, now we're coming up the other side. The north side of Suki Market. So yeah, definite improvement. Is it back to 100%? No, definitely not. We can see that. But made leaps and bounds compared to what it was a year ago. This place was a mess. I just kind of like hugged the outskirts. Yeah. Okay, so this is the inside. If you look at my other video, I couldn't come in this far before. What I did show, I think even the thumbnail, it shows this area right here is basically just a burnt out shell. Everything inside this building was just black. So when you come inside and you see this, this is a good sign that things have kind of went back to normal. Like I said, not quite 100%, but it's a hell of a lot better than what it was. So that's a nice thing. And everybody's cheerful and happy. That's good. Hello. Hello. I haven't done this in a while. Hi, ladies. It looks good, but probably next time. Yeah, thank you. There she is.
For Danny, I bought 2 pieces. 120 per kilo.
Ooh, look at that. Yeah, this whole area was nothing but charred ruins before. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Great. Nothing but a black hole before. Excellent. Well, it's good to see some progress.
Yeah, they put all the beams already.
Yeah.
Already the paint.
Yep, you can kind of see up in here. Things are coming along. You know, this right here is what I mean by not being 100% yet. Things are still in work. But, you know, little by little, as money permits, I suppose. You know, with anything else, these projects are not cheap. Recovery projects, whatever you want to call them. Try to walk a little faster here and get around the corner. If you're with me so far in this video, thank you, I appreciate it. We'll go ahead and wrap up here in a minute. As soon as I get around the corner, kind of show what's going on out front. Okay, I won't bother too much with going in here. You can kind of see pretty well from where I'm at. But that's it. You know, once again, progress slowly but surely. Not 100%, but it's getting there. We'll see how it goes. But for now, if you made it all the way through, I appreciate it. I know sometimes these videos can be a little long, but anyways, enough said. We'll just cut it off. Take care, guys. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon. All right, bye-bye.